Listen up, you lot. If you're serious about your fitness, then you need to be serious about recovery. You can't keep pushing your body to the limit without giving it what it needs to bounce back. That's where your diet comes in. In this video, we're going to dive into the top foods that'll help you recover like a champion. Get ready to fuel those muscles and come back stronger than ever. We're not talking about some fancy Michelin star rubbish here. This is about real food packed with nutrients that'll help your muscles repair and rebuild. We're going to break down each ingredient, tell you why it's important, and give you some ideas on how to incorporate it into your meals. This isn't some wishy-washy advice, you hear? These are the ingredients I swear by. They've helped me stay at the top of my game for years, and they'll do the same for you. So let's get started. First up, we've got chicken breast. This lean protein source is a bloody essential for muscle repair. It's packed with amino acids, the building blocks of muscle tissue. Think of it like bricks and mortar for your muscles. You smash those weights, you break down the muscle, and the amino acids from the chicken help rebuild it, stronger than before. But it's not just about size, you donkey. Protein also helps with muscle function and improves your overall strength. So, if you want to lift heavier, run faster, and just perform better, make sure you're getting enough of this magic ingredient. Don't be a lazy sod. There are endless ways to cook chicken breast. Grill it, roast it, poach it, stir fry it. Get creative and find what you like. Just make sure it's not dry and flavorless, yeah? You want to enjoy your food, not choke it down. Next, we've got salmon, the king of the sea. This oily fish is bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like little firefighters for your muscles. They help reduce inflammation, which is the soreness and stiffness you feel after a tough workout. Omega-3s don't just fight the fire, they help prevent it in the first place. They improve blood flow, which means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients. It's like giving your muscles a VIP backstage pass to the recovery party. Don't overcook the bloody thing. You want it flaky and moist, not dry and rubbery. Grill it, bake it, poach it, or even eat it raw as sashimi if you're feeling adventurous. Just make sure it's fresh and high quality, you hear? Now let's talk about blueberries, the little gems packed with antioxidants. These bad boys are like tiny ninjas fighting off free radicals, which are nasty little molecules that damage your cells, including muscle cells. Think of antioxidants as the cleanup crew after a demolition derby. But it's not just about damage control. Blueberries also help with muscle function and recovery. They improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even boost your immune system. It's like giving your body a spa day after a hard workout. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or even blend them into smoothies. They're versatile and delicious, so get creative and add them to your diet. Let's move on to bananas, the potassium kings. Potassium is crucial for muscle function and preventing those dreaded muscle cramps that can derail your workout. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure all the muscles are playing in sync. But potassium does more than just prevent cramps. It also helps with muscle recovery by replenishing electrolytes lost through sweat. You sweat, you lose electrolytes, you eat a banana, you replenish them. Simple as that. Bananas are so versatile. Eat them on their own, slice them into your cereal, blend them into smoothies, or even use them in baking. Just don't let them go brown and mushy, you muppet. Now let's talk about dairy products, the calcium champions. Calcium is essential for muscle function, helping your muscles contract and relax properly. It's like the oil in a well-oiled machine, keeping everything running smoothly. But calcium is also crucial for bone health, which is indirectly related to muscle recovery. Strong bones provide a solid foundation for your muscles to attach to, allowing them to work efficiently. There's a whole world of dairy out there, from milk and yogurt to cheese and cottage cheese. Find what you like and incorporate it into your diet. Just don't go overboard, you numpty. Too much dairy can be a bit much for some people's stomachs. Let's talk about fortified milk, the vitamin D powerhouse. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function and recovery. It helps your body absorb calcium, which we already know is vital for muscle health. It's like a personal assistant for calcium, making sure it gets to where it needs to be. But vitamin D does more than just assist calcium. It also helps with muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle. It's like a foreman on a construction site, making sure the muscle building project is running smoothly. You can drink it straight up, add it to your cereal, or use it in smoothies and sauces. Just make sure you're choosing fortified milk, as it contains added vitamin D. Next up we've got spinach, the ironclad champion. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in your blood, which is crucial for muscle recovery. It's like a delivery truck, bringing oxygen to your muscles so they can repair and rebuild. But iron does more than just deliver oxygen. It also helps with energy production, giving your muscles the fuel they need to perform. It's like a power plant, supplying energy to your muscles so they can fire on all cylinders. Don't just think salads, you donkey. You can add spinach to smoothies, stir-fries, pasta dishes, and even omelets. Get creative and find ways to sneak this nutrient-rich green into your meals. Now let's talk about whole grain bread, the carbo-loading champion. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy, and they're essential for replenishing glycogen stores after a workout. Glycogen is like your muscle's energy reserve, and carbohydrates help fill it back up. But carbohydrates do more than just replenish glycogen. They also help with muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle. It's like a construction crew, providing the materials needed to build new muscle tissue. Choose whole grain bread over white bread, you hear? It's got more fiber, which helps regulate your blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Let's move on to coconut water, the hydration hero. Staying hydrated is essential for muscle function and recovery, as it helps transport nutrients and flush out waste products. It's like a plumbing system, making sure everything is flowing smoothly. But coconut water does more than just hydrate. It's also a natural source of electrolytes, which are lost through sweat during exercise. It's like a rehydration station, replenishing your electrolytes and getting you back on track. You can drink it straight up, add it to smoothies, or even use it in cooking. It's a refreshing and healthy alternative to sugary sports drinks. Finally, we have eggs, packed with B vitamins that are essential for energy metabolism and muscle recovery. B vitamins are like the spark plugs in your engine, helping your body convert food into energy. But B vitamins do more than just provide energy. They also help with muscle repair and growth, ensuring your muscles are getting the nutrients they need to rebuild. It's like a construction crew, providing the tools and materials needed for muscle repair. You can scramble them, fry them, poach them, boil them, or even bake them into a frittata. Just don't overcook them, you donkey. You want the yolk runny and delicious, not rubbery and dry. Right, you lot, we've covered the top 10 ingredients that'll help your muscles recover faster than a runaway lamb. These foods are packed with nutrients that your body needs to repair, rebuild, and come back stronger than ever. Remember, this isn't about stuffing your face with any old rubbish. Choose high-quality ingredients, cook them properly, and enjoy the bloody process. Fueling your body is just as important as training it, so don't cut corners. Now get out there and smash your workouts, knowing that you've got the right fuel to recover like a champion. And don't forget, if your food is rubbish, your performance will be rubbish too, so make it good.